we're taking alternative living to the next level by starting to explore more alternative accommodations so we can take our travels more full time and on the road. Some of you may be wondering where we are and what we have been up to, since our posting schedule has been progressively getting more and more disturbed. Well, on the more personal note, Sam and I got married. So that took so much of our time that we literally lost track of the days for a month. Literally, we'll wake up and it'll be a completely different day that we will think. Like maybe a week off. Ridiculous. Rambling. So now that's passed, we're going full steam ahead editing the new content for this channel and continuing with the more exciting venture of finding alternative accommodation to tour. So if you have any accommodation that you would like us to see and you would like us to come and give us, tour it and film it and post it on this channel, then let us know in the comments down below and we'll contact you. And also we're looking into other alternative lifestyles that we can explore and learn about and share them here on this channel with you. Since that's a lot of stuff to sort out, next week there'll be no video, but don't worry, we'll be back to our regular schedule, posting at least every Saturday in a week or so. In the meantime, we have compiled a playlist of the first time that we tried out alternative living when we lived in our car in New Zealand for 10 months or so. So that playlist is on one of these sites. I have no idea where it is on the screen. And also a second playlist of our travels up to date for you to just, keep yourself entertained for a week or so. Okay? We'll be back really soon. Just working really hard. Bye.